Modern dating has become a sick joke for many. Ask any man about their online dating experience. For the majority, it's nothing good. Due to all the pickiness and high expectations of women, online dating has left a bitter taste in the mouths of many men. Studies have been done about this, and the results are shocking. Women on average get 20 times more likes than men, thus are far more choosy. And as they watch the worst of guys succeed, plenty of guys out there are doing all the right things, yet still single. This leads many men to just not see the point of putting in the effort to try to date anymore. Welcome to Financial Psychology, the place to understand the mindsets of the rich and unlock your wealth potential. In this video, we're going to cover 15 ways single men can use their masculine energy to level up their confidence in the modern dating world. First, it is important to be clear on what masculine energy is. Masculine energy is not necessarily macho behavior, nor is it aggressive. It is action-oriented with an emphasis on doing rather than being. Structure, logic, taking charge, assertiveness, confidence, speaking up for yourself, and sometimes fighting the good fight are all important. Similarly, this is related to the concept of physical and emotional strength. Masculine energy is deeply linked to the warrior within each of us. By tapping into this energy, single men can tap into their own strength and power and use it to gain the confidence they need to succeed in modern dating. Let's get started. Number 1. Take note of your confidence level. Do you believe in yourself? Do you have a good outlook on life? If not, try to improve things by doing the following. Reflect on what makes you happy. Take some time to identify what it is that you enjoy doing for fun. Start including more of these activities in your daily life, such as meeting up with friends or picking up a hobby. Make sure to prioritize these things and be consistent with them. Before you portray confidence to others, show it to yourself first. Everyone experiences times when they doubt their own capabilities and don't feel very confident. When that happens, it's important to identify what activities give you a feeling of self-assurance and focus on those. People are naturally drawn towards those that project an air of confidence since they want what you possess. You'll start to notice a positive change in how people, especially women, see you. Number 2, cultivate a positive mindset. Our unconscious thoughts are powerful, and you can use them as a tool for guidance. Become aware and ask yourself, what automatic thoughts are you having about the future, and how are they holding you back? Some common ones are things like, I'm worthless, I am unlovable, I'm not good enough, I'm too fat or ugly, I will be alone forever. To work through these thoughts, you need to start challenging them with positive affirmations, such as, I am confident and successful. Regardless of what others think, I will always have a happy and healthy mindset. I recognize my worth. I am fit and healthy. I am appealing to myself and to others. I am at ease and secure in myself. There will be times in life when you will face difficulties. Every challenge can be seen as a chance for us to become better and wiser. To use adversity as a way to grow as a man, you should take on the same attitude of a confident leader and help those in need or tackle any issue that may arise. Say to yourself, I am confident that I am up to the task. I feel more secure and strong when I act. Number 3, concentrate on what makes you happy. When you start to focus on the aspects of life that bring you joy, it will have a positive effect on your overall mood. To make yourself happier, try to prioritize the things that bring you joy and pay extra attention to them. As you continue to put effort into doing things you like, your mind consciously seeks other opportunities to replicate the same feeling of gratification. This will lead you to feel happier and more self-confident. Number 4, take action. Everyone has ambitions and goals that they want to pursue. The journey to achieving them can be so challenging that many people don't even start. But if you want to get what you want out of life, you have to put in the effort and take the necessary steps forward despite any self-doubt. Instead of procrastinating, Come up with a detailed list of all the steps needed to reach it. Make it visible by writing it down. Use a steady approach for success. Don't try to rush through the process by doing too much at once. Rather, work toward your goal gradually and consistently. If it's difficult for you to focus, take some time away from your computer and take a walk or go for a drive. Additionally, set aside time to complete the steps needed to reach your destination. For example, if you have trouble staying focused for more than 45 minutes, set a timer for 45 minutes and take a break. Number 5, be yourself. Finding the right balance between being genuine about who you really are and showing an image of who you want people to see is crucial when you are dating. Be authentic in your interactions with people. Don't ever change yourself to be accepted by everyone. Be true to your unique self, and if someone has a problem with that, it's their issue, not yours. Trying to alter aspects of yourself to make others happy can lead to a lot of hurtful emotions in the long run. Life is too short to compromise on being your authentic self. Additionally, when dating, give only the necessary information required, and don't try to tell your whole life story right away. Respect others' relationships and don't try to date someone who is already in a relationship. Pay close attention to the reactions you get when you talk to women on dates. They will let you know if your actions or words are appropriate or inappropriate. You will be admired for staying true to who you are and respect you for your genuine character. It may be easier to pretend, but staying true to yourself is the best way to build relationships with others. Don't end up bitter and resentful. Be brave and be yourself. You never know who might end up being your best friend or the love of your life. Number 6, have fun. When you are having fun with others and enjoying yourself, it is noticeable and can be incredibly attractive to women. The energy that radiates from this experience will draw women to you and make them want to spend time with you. This is because when you are more relaxed and having fun, you are more yourself. Being yourself will make you happier and more attractive. Enjoy life and make it a priority to stay positive. Smile, joke around, and create fun experiences with others. It brings joy to those around you when you're in a good spirit. Don't ignore your emotions simply because of what is deemed acceptable by society. Letting others see the real you will help them to see that men or women can be great friends as well as partners in relationships. Number 7, be aware. Your actions speak louder than words. They reflect your character, so it's important to be conscious about how you behave around people. Don't get angry or fearful when things don't go as planned. Instead, take it as an opportunity to learn from your mistakes and strive to understand the root cause of any misunderstandings that occur. Don't let yourself be in the dark if people seem angry with you. Instead, communicate with them and try to understand what's wrong. Show them that you're willing to make things right. Start by saying something like, "I want to fix this. Can we talk about it?" Taking the initiative can go a long way in resolving conflicts and building strong relationships. Number 8, be kind. Use your gifts and special talents to help make the world a better place. It will promote more love, compassion, and positive energy in the world. Giving back not only makes you feel great about yourself, but also uplifts your spirit. Being a role model to those who are struggling in life is an incredible opportunity to be of service. People will be more likely to seek your guidance if they know you are on a journey of self-improvement. Showing your commitment can be an inspiration for them. Number 9, be a leader. Being a positive role model is one of the most important things you can do. Setting an example of what it looks like to be masculine or feminine in certain situations or with certain groups of people can be a great way to show others how to act and think in a respectful manner. By leading by example, you can create environments that are safe for everyone and help shape future generations into kind, open-minded individuals. The best way to get things done is by inspiring and motivating people instead of controlling them or using force. Effective leadership involves following rather than dictating. Number 10, be a good listener. Many times, men or women lose out on having successful relationships because they don't listen well enough. This makes everyone involved feel misunderstood, which causes anger and hurt feelings. When you know how to really listen, you don't need to talk all the time. Listening is an essential skill for anyone wanting to have successful relationships. It requires us to be present, understanding, and patient in order to truly hear what someone else is trying to communicate. Without this practice, it can be difficult for men and women alike to build meaningful connections with one another. When you demonstrate responsibility and reliability, people understand what you want and how to do it. This skill is invaluable when it comes to dating and everyday life. Number 11, be patient. Patience is a virtue, and it is essential for any kind of success. Waiting is an essential part of the process to reach your goals. When you don't get the results you want quickly, it can be easy to become frustrated and give up. However, with patience and perseverance, you can overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. You need to be patient and trust that things will work out for the best. And if they didn't work out, then it just wasn't meant to be and someone else will come along. Number 12, don't try to change other people. It is a part of life that not everyone is going to like you. There are so many types of people out there, and you just can't always control how they perceive you. Trying to get someone to like you will only lead to frustration and further problems. Instead, it's better to accept the situation and focus on finding the right type of people that you are more compatible with. Surround yourself with positive energy and enjoy life more fully. Number 13, set goals and strive for excellence. Put your all into your goals and don't back down. Aim higher than everyone else and never stop pushing yourself to new heights. Life is about competition, so give it your all and never settle for less than the best. Men and women are attracted to those who are driven and strive to achieve more in life. It provides others with a sense of security that in a relationship you will be someone they can count on as a partner. Look for someone else who will support you in your goals and be the kind of person who supports others around you too. Number 14, be a gentleman. Being a gentleman is a great way to show that you are kind and thoughtful to others, which is an extremely attractive quality. Don't come off as too excessive or arrogant, as that is a huge turnoff. Be respectful and courteous and show consideration to other people in all aspects. Holding doors open and making small gestures of kindness can make a big difference in how you are perceived. That makes women think you care more than most other guys, and that makes you stand out from the competition. Number 15, take care of yourself. Lastly, taking care of yourself is one of the most important things you can do to make sure you feel your best. Dressing well, eating healthy, and exercising are all essential components of feeling confident and looking great when meeting people. Doing nice things for yourself not only makes you look great, but also helps boost your emotional well-being. Taking the time to invest in yourself will lead to increased self-esteem, greater productivity, and improved relationships. Thank you for spending some time with us today at Financial Psychology. We're so glad you did. And if you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.